Are you a small business owner looking for an effortless way to consistently produce captivating content that resonates with your audience? By solving one of your biggest challenges, it's our intention to massively disrupt the network marketing industry. Introducing our revolutionary AI-powered social media platform designed to empower business owners like you. Now you will effortlessly generate high-quality, engaging content across not just one or two, but 4 different platforms. It's an easy process. You start by training your AI so that it knows you, thinks like you, and writes like you. In less than 5 minutes, your AI version of you will be fully trained. Our cutting-edge technology works tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure your content is not only top-notch, but also tailored to the unique audience of each platform. Goodbye to the overwhelming and time-consuming tasks of crafting social media posts for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn separately. Every single day, your AI version of you will create authentic, original social media posts as often as you want. You no longer need to be a social media expert to captivate your audience and stand out from the competition. Our AI-powered platform diligently analyzes the pulse of your target market, crafting original and compelling copy that will leave your followers craving for more. What else can my AI version of me do? Your AI version of you has the ability to seamlessly adapt to ever-changing trends by incorporating trending hashtags into your posts. This ensures maximum visibility and engagement with your target audience, skyrocketing your online presence. But we don't stop there. We understand the power of visually stunning content in capturing your audience attention and leaving a lasting impact. That's why our platform also includes a wide range of awe-inspiring visual pictures from our extensive library that will make your posts jump out from the chaos of social media feeds. Don't waste another minute struggling to keep up with the demands of social media management. Unleash your full potential using our AI-powered platform. Witness your business transform and you into an authority figure in your niche industry. AI makes it easy to share yourself with confidence. Be worth following, it's just you, powered by AI.